So we're back with a brand new product, in fact, 3 products specifically. This is again from the HOTO brand lineup of products. We're checking out a lot of their stuff recently, but they actually sent us over their brand new SNAPBLOQs. Now the SNAPBLOQ is a really cool mini micro tool that you can have on the go with you, but also doesn't take up a lot of space in your tool chest. And they have a myriad of different options for them. For instance, this one here is specifically their precision screwdriver set. This one here is their rotary tool set, and this one here is their drill set. So they're all unique in different setups. They might look similar to different colors, but they are different when you go to buy them. So keep that in mind. So let's open these up. We'll start first with the screwdriver set, which is nice because I've been looking for something to have in the house. I do have a really nice set of tools in the garage, but frankly, when it comes to like running out to the backyard to go get them, it's sometimes nice to have something in the house. So this would be a really good option for that, or on the go. I don't want to take up that much space in my car, but I do want to be able to, you know, keep tools with me. So I like how that opens up. That's cool. So we get the little guide here of how this works. Peel down there. Now this is the actual unit. It actually sits and rests in this chamber here. Nice. We've also got a power cord. USB-A to USB-C, and that's going to plug directly into there. Well, you can take this thing out by force. It does have a push-down pop-in, which does seem to keep it pretty well locked in there normally. But yeah, that's pretty cool. There we go. And these are the tools. When you're storing them, they just clip on like that. Very low profile. You can take that off. Oop. They have magnets built into them that will allow them to keep closed. You pull them apart, which is really nice. So hypothetically speaking, if you were going to use this, you come here, click this out, pull this out, find the right tool for you. It just goes right in there, magnetically holds. Power on, left, right. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And you get your battery right up there. Right now it's reading at 3. Speed, strength. So that's going to give you how much power you're going to put into it. So if you really want to do a very light touch, that's a great option for that. So that's really cool. You got so many different types of actual screwdriver pieces in here that you can choose the right one for your fit, including multitudes of different specialty type set screwdriver heads, which is really cool. Again, once you're done with that, they click together. Click it in place. And you can click those right on there to hold them. HOTO. 56-piece set, by the way. Really awesome. It says its maximum torque in electric mode is 4.4 pounds per square inch. Minimum is 0.4 pounds per square inch. Its chuck size is C4, and its bit size is C4 1.1 inch. It also has an 800 milliamp battery, and it basically estimates a 90-minute charge time. So let's go into the Rotary Set. A lot of people don't have rotary sets. They're a little bit more complex of a tool, but anyone that does any kind of fine like woodworking or 3D printing, they most likely have some type of Dremel or anything to help clean things up. Something that would basically help get into small locations without requiring a lot of, you know, use or drilling. But this right here, this thing entirely different. This is an incredibly portable, low profile Dremel set. So right off the bat, we have another manual, just like before, showcasing how the thing is set up to go. Really cool. In here, we have another USB-C power cord and then the actual device. Pull here. Click in place, click out. And this is our model version for the Dremel. That's very interesting. So in this one here, unlike the other one, we have the buttons for the presets. You have an automatic on button, and that's going to spin the head, which is really interesting. And then you have this little slider here on the handle, and that increases the speed and lowers the speed. Very cool. Now let's look at the tool set that came with it. So once again, this set is designed to clip into place, to sit there and be accessible. It's a rotary tool accessory kit, 38 piece. Pop off when it's time to use it. And inside here, we actually have 2 compartment doors this time. There you go. That's one set. This one here, just pop it to the point where it snaps open. That's the other set. Now you don't have to keep these plastic bags in here. You do have the spacers to yeah, you do have the spacers to help organize it. But you can open these up and dump those in if you'd like. Just typical type of rotary heads you might get from a Dremel type set. Things from grinders, drill heads, all kinds of very specific tools there. Polisher heads, nice. More grinder heads. And so for instance, like this one here, you can put this polishing head onto this screw head. And then you would open up that cap, slide that in, tighten up the cap, and now you've got a polisher on the top of your Dremel. We're not done just yet. On this side over here, we have even more tools, which we'll showcase. grinders, polishers, nice. And this right here is your polish paste. I know it looks like a little block with the HOTO logo on it, but this Rotary Set that's your polishing paste that you can use specifically when you're using this as a polisher, which is really nice. Give this again. This side this time. You just store that right in there. Close that lid down. Get those laying flat. You can unscrew the head of that. Put that right back in there. Move that piece. Tighten that back up. Now those two pieces are sealed up, good to go. Click that into place. Click that into place, and now they click together for storing, which is really cool. Can stand together like that as well. But let's look at this last one. Now this is the drill set. Just like the other ones, you have a little manual here showcasing the 20-piece drill set and how it works. It also has doors on it apparently. Open that up here. Find the USB-C adapter for charging and the actual drill housing here. Pull down, pull out. Find the little secure tab there for pulling. Look how that launched out. So click down, click out. Just like the same thing with the screwdriver, power on. So yeah. Oh, it's even got a light. How did I miss that on the other ones? Do the other ones have a light? Oh, they do. That's cool. I don't know how I missed that before. That's so cool. So again, click that in place. Let's go look at the tools now. Just like the other models, magnetic. Clicks on there, it's off and ready to use. Pop these bad boys open. And we've got doors that pop open to reveal tools. So this is all your drill sets that you can see here from varying incredibly precise small drill marker, that's tiny, to a more regular sized one. And then over here, we have this tool. So let's call this a precision tool for the device. You can rest things on it that you can then drill into. So it's like a stand for your drill use, which is really nice. It makes up the majority of the second compartment here. But your regular compartment here has all your drills for use. Just push down, pop out. Pop this bad boy out. Give that a twist. Put it in, tighten it. And then let's tighten that more. Yeah, so it's a very solid little mini drill. This would be great for doing things like jewelry, model work, anything that's very kind of small. You got some really amazing thin drill bits in here, or if you just have a really precision project to work with. I've never seen drill bits this tiny. Like, they are so tiny. Look at that. So tiny. Look at those tiny little ones right there. That's really cool. Once it's all said and done, just close that up. Click it in place. Click it in place. And then all 3 sets can rest in such a small profile location on a shelf, ready to go whenever you are ready for them. And that is just super cool. Break whichever one off you need when you need it. Awesome. Well, hopefully you guys like this. Hope you pick this up for someone maybe in your life that's a little bit handy, that wants a little small, precise tool set, or maybe even for yourself. This makes a great gift, and they're just really cool. Get the ones you need, get all of them, whichever you prefer. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys pick this up for yourself. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.